Hello there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get a job as a Nigerian freelancer, also known as how to make money online in Nigeria. Hey, have you subscribed? If you're new to the channel, please hit that big red subscribe button because we have a lot of videos for you, and make sure to click the notification bell to be notified when we upload these amazing videos. Thank you! Now let's get right into the video. Freelancing is an online work marketplace where businesses and people can find and employ online freelancers that will work for them on various types of projects. It is like a shop for freelancers. In this video, which is a part of our online work series as a freelancer, we're going to be talking about how to get a job as a Nigerian freelancer. But first, let's talk about understanding a freelancer. Who are freelancers? A freelancer is an independent person who labors and earns wages on each job or each task basis, typically for short-term work. Benefits of freelancing include the freedom to work from home or from a non-traditional workspace, a flexible work schedule, and a better work-life balance. Freelancing is an online work marketplace like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. It enables people who want to employ to find, hire, and pay freelancers cost very well. Freelancer.com does not seem to have the same effect office environment that Upwork boasts of, but still has features that ensure that employers get value for their money. Employers post job ads on Freelancer.com and receive bids from freelancers. Based on such work history, exam scores, bid, feedback from previous work, and profile information, the employer will select a freelancer for the project. Projects can be done on hourly rates or fixed budgets. At the end of the project or when set records are reached, the employer makes payments to the freelancer through Freelancer.com. The employer and freelancers are then prompted to rate each other via a feedback feature. Freelancer.com has a free membership with various levels of paid memberships that promises more chances. Freelancer's commission model is different from that of Upwork and Fiverr. While that later adds a percentage to whatever the freelancer earns, Freelancer.com charges commission on both employer and freelancer once the bid is successful. Certain types of freelancer membership do not pay any tax. Freelancers and employers fund their freelancer account with MasterCard, Visa, wire transfer. Employers make payments to freelancers by themselves. Freelancers withdraw their earnings through various means: freelancer branded debit cards or wire transfer. Freelancing saw a global rise during and post-COVID, and it doesn't look like a pattern to change soon. We must embrace it. The FYP conference is birthing at this critical time to give Nigerian business owners, existing freelancers, and a freelancer very hopeful all they need to navigate the maze and thrills of this truly global way of getting work done. It is also said that according to MGI's projections, the global freelance economy will hit $1.3 trillion annually by 2025. Businesses and individuals looking for solutions, talents, and wants to earn a reward for their passion and the ever-changing standard of how humans work contribute to the projection. Here is where Fuel Your Passion, or FYP, comes in. The Fuel Your Passion conference is Nigeria's largest freelancing event, hosted by Nigerian Clerks, Nigeria's biggest freelancing marketplace. Moderated by Seya Olurotimi, the founder of MSME Africa. Each session will host notable speakers with vast years of experience in freelancing, understanding the freelance economy, and will be available to share your success story. Yemisi Alabi, CEO of Differently Consults, addresses the value and concerns of businesses who choose to work with freelancers. Esther Okoro, co-founder Nigerian Clerk, explains that the objective is to discuss the challenges currently facing the freelancing industry and unveil the solutions we have created for businesses and freelancers. With a number of freelancers signed up, jobs completed on the platform, and a growing number of vendor requests to be proud of, as a freelancer looking to position yourself, this event is for you. Come and take advantage of the networking opportunities and freelancing models that Nigerian Clerks avails you. Also, for business professionals seeking to hire talents, Nigerian Clerks should be your preferred partner for projects, no matter the budget, scale, or delivery time. The freelancing industry continues to grow at record rates in the last couple of years. In fact, the freelancer industry reportedly grew by over 12%, as noted by the Financial Times. Freelancing in Nigeria has grown as more graduates look for modern ways of earning a living. The jobs posted on notable freelance sites increased from 200,000 to 300,000 engagements over a 1-year period. I believe that this growth moves towards the need individuals have for independence and enable them in pursuing careers with technology and concepts such as working from anywhere, like home, gaining of a wide generated income. I also found that freelancing makes me and countless others of this trade happy, as well as be happy about the future and prospects of freelancing as a career path. So if you're listening to this video, I assume that you may have decided to give freelancing a shot. Not a bad idea if you ask me. In fact, it is a great move, which should give you the satisfaction of setting or negotiating pay rates, as well as following your own work schedules. No shouts or harassment from bosses, no stress from moving for long hours if you choose to work from home, among other benefits. But I do know you might feel overwhelmed by not knowing how or where to start. Well, there is some good news, my friend. Starting a freelance career is far easier than it appears. All I did and what you should do to revolve around taking the following steps. 1. Select a skill or craft. Trust me when I say that people require professional services for almost any task you can imagine. Freelancing is the new kid on the block, and you might just have the skill or training required to fulfill the client's request. The important point to note here is that you can start with whatever skill or training you have had in your professional life. While programming or graphic designing may be the big players in the freelance world, I still insist that other less attractive skills offer plenty of opportunities in starting and going on a freelance career. For instance, I have a likeness for writing and I am building a freelance career creating written content for organizations, businesses, and individuals. Writing is one very popular way to succeed with freelancing in Nigeria. So in essence, freelance offers you the choice of finding that skill or hobby or training that you have competence in and find joy in doing and getting paid while performing such tasks. 2. Build your brand. I must go straight from the start. While freelancing offers flexibility and independence in the workplace, competition is becoming hardened and you have to really stand out from the crowd if you hope to secure work you're engaging on a consistent basis. I find that an effective way of pointing out this issue is by having a brand. A brand serves as the freelancer's identity. This includes your website, blog, and social media accounts. And it should clearly communicate your unique selling proposition, what stands your work out, and why a client should pick you over someone else. Branding also offers you the opportunity to go for specialization. For instance, the articles I write focus mainly on lifestyle, technology, and business. With this field of study, I am far more attractive to a person or people with prospective clients. So it is that you're branding on the core services that your skills and training provided so that you gain consistent patronage from clients in need of your services. 3. Build a portfolio and ask for testimonials. The freelance world is one of the most unpretentious industries in the world. On a functional basis, freelancing is based in getting what one is seeing. Often, there are no complicated games or complex plan. Many prospective clients do not bother about one's qualifications or awards. All they want to see are your previous records of past jobs and whether these completed orders fit into their needs. No more, no less. Are you starting your freelancing career? It is important that you put your best work in a portfolio. Bear in mind that some clients would also demand that you show capability and experience, especially in work done for big clients. One way of going around this issue is carrying out free jobs for notable clients. You'll achieve a number of things with this step. First off, you will build an impressive work that features quality assignments from top clients. Secondly, I usually inform the clients I do such work for of the cost if I had placed a fee for the service. In this way, I open up room for pay negotiations the next time the particular client needs my services. In addition, I request that the client draws up a solid testimonial confirming the quality of my work and recommending my services to other clients. So with extensive portfolios and glowing testimonials, you should be able to put your freelancing career on the go as soon as possible. 4. Pitch, pitch, pitch. So I assume that you have selected an area of your field of study, you have a compelling brand in place, and you are amassing a great weapon of completed, ongoing jobs and glowing recommendation. The next step is reaching out to prospective clients by way of pitching. Pitching, which bears a close resemblance to marketing, involves selling your freelance services to individuals, businesses that are most likely to patronize you. Your branding should give you a slim focus. With a slim focus, clients are far more likely to take you and your work more seriously than if you offered a general service. Businesses want to work with freelancers who seemingly came into existence to serve them alone. This can be created through your field of study. I find that the keys to successful pitching include volume and relevance. Note: go for clients that fit your target audience. Volume entails reaching out to many of the clients in your focused area on a consistent basis. The key is to focus and remain committed to your abilities. You never know when that bid you submitted some time ago could bring the engagement you've been waiting for. 5. Go with the odds and begin today. Freelancing requires that you show up each and every day. Ultimately, securing freelance engagements is about numbers. The more clients you source, the better your chances of making earnings on a consistent basis. But it is vital you start today and get your freelance career off the ground. Crawl, walk, run, or fly. The important thing is that you start and maintain pressure by honing your craft, building your portfolio, creating a compelling brand, as well as attracting the audience that is appropriate for your freelancing business. 6. Identify your unique talents. The fact that there are up to 150 different categories of services you can render on freelancing makes it easier to make money on the platform. Jumia is the sale, and one of the best first steps to earning a nickel or millions is to find out what you are really good at. What services can you render very well and effectively? Going through the product or gig categories can also help. Should you not have any recognizable or selling talents or skill, it is totally okay. You can still earn on freelancing. There are several learning platforms where you can pick up photography skills, learn digital marketing, graphic designing, animation, and pretty much learn anything you want to learn on freelancing. It has also recently introduced its own learning platform so you can learn while you earn. Here's some of the most popular gigs to make money on freelancing: logo design, graphics design, writing, web design, search engine optimization, video editing and post-production, digital marketing, translation, animated explainer videos, voice-over, creating jingles, singer-songwriters, programming skills, data entry, virtual assistants, and legal consulting. 7. Sell your best skills. When you go through the gig categories, you're bound to see sorts of gigs that you feel you have the skill set for. However, don't get carried away. If you ever want to make a living off it, you should sell something you're very skilled at and can almost do with your eyes closed. This helps you execute gigs more passionately and less stressful. It gets you positive reviews and ratings, and ultimately makes you more money. To conclude all being said, freelancing offers the opportunity to earn a living from offering services based on one's skill set or passion or hobby. I can understand if you have butterflies when you consider leaving paid employment and starting out in freelancing. It does not have to be so at the start. You can still keep your job, but you must make use of your spare time in building your freelance structures and your portfolio. Do this consistently and you'll be ready in time for a freelance career, whether on a full or part-time basis. So viewers, what do you think? Let us know in the comments section. We would love to know what your decisions are. And also, please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Like and share this video to your friends. Someone might be in need of it. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye for now.